Help your pet stay healthy and happy with this pet care tip. Many dogs love to chew on things, but not everything is safe for them to chew. Despite their popularity, steer clear of bones, antlers, hard plastic chews, ice cubes, and sticks, all of which can fracture your dog's teeth or splinter and cause oral or stomach puncture injuries. Toys that can break apart can also be a problem, creating a risk of your pet choking or developing a blockage in their digestive tract. Instead, offer your dog a chew toy that can't splinter and is soft enough that it won't damage their teeth. Toys that can break apart should only be played with under your direct supervision to ensure the toy is removed if it starts to break apart. Dental chews are also a great option. They'll even help clean your pet's teeth while they're chewing. Let's keep learning together to give your pet the best care possible.